buy Rambo. Come to buy Rambo. In there. Yes. Is that right? Get over here. Follow the pin. Rambo tell me. Hey, Rambo tell me.
Skip up.
3 yards.
Horses, speed, come on.
Somebody kick him.
Okay, can I move fire? The war started.
2. 3.
1.
4. 5. 6. 7.
2.
8. 9. 10. 11. 12.
3.
13. 14.
4.
15.
Rock na skip up. 4. What's your
16. 17.
5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 9. 10.
20.
11.
21. 22. 23.
12.
24.
14.
25. 26. 27. 28.
14.
29. 30.
15.
31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38.
17.
39.
18. 19. 20.
41. 43.
21.
45.
22.
46.
23.
47.
24.
48.
25.
49. 50.
Yeah.
412, right? Watch out! 412.
Team Boy Family.
Hi sir, welcome to Guyana. So tell us, congratulations on your brand new club. You guys look really adoring with your uniform. Tell us what's next. Why Team Board Family? Why this name? What's next for us coming up in the next year or so?
Team Board Family is a group of guys who always talk to another early in the morning from the line 3. So what happened, we always said that we're going to make a team with the guys because we have to reach out to everyone every morning. You know, we step away.
So, one of the winners is here, GH, to receive his electronic mic. Congratulations to you from All Star. Today being Christmas Eve, hope this brings smiles to you and your family. You are a patron to the sports.
You gotta jump on the bike. Let me catch you. Jump on the bike there. Jump on there.
Congratulations to you. Presentation of All Star. Wow! Congratulations to you, Dish. You'll be performing, you'll be contributing to the services of the Board Racing Authority. I want you to say, tell us how excited you are to win this whole competition thing. Electric scooter. Wow! Life can't be better than this, right? Tell us, hold the mic.
Yes, I'm really excited to go through this bike. One, thank you all.
You gotta thank Star.
Thank you all very much. Very much. Thank you all very much.
Or is it thank you All Star and happy holidays? Tell us.
Thank you all, Star. Happy holidays.
Give him a round of applause. Much deserved winner. He has been in the business for many, many years, providing services from bird seed to tonic to everything. Enjoy, ride responsibly. Put on your helmet. Thank you very much.